Hi friends, welcome back. Before we begin with the discussions on options available under Animations tab, let us discuss about three major functions of any presentation software. Any presentation for software contains three major functions. One is adding in the data, wherein you can type if it is a textual information, you can include images, you can insert video or audio files. That sums up your function 1, stage 1. Second major function we have is either including animations or formatting the text or the images that you have inserted. And the third function that we can have is slideshow. Now what slideshow is? Slideshow is the outcome of the data that you have inserted, of the contents that you have inserted. It presents the content that you have added to the audience, and that particular activity is called slideshow. So any of like MS PowerPoint, any of the presentation software includes these three stages, which are major functions of any presentation software. Let us now understand what options we have with Animations tab. Animations tab includes two major options. One is called transition, the second one is custom animation. Transition is the way of controlling how your slide opens up. Transition is the way of adding animations to the opening of your slide. Let us have a look at it. Let me start first with normal slideshow. Slideshow without adding any transition effect or transition animation. Either I can go for slideshow and start from beginning, or we have a shortcut of F5. Press F5 and MS PowerPoint starts with your slideshow. Press F5, it starts with slide number 1. Look at the way your slide opens up. It opens up in a normal way without any animation. And to go to the next slide, either I should have a mouse click or press any key from your keyboard, and it will take you to the next slide. And to end your slideshow, either press escape or go to the last slide and press any key. It will tell you that this is the last slide that you have, and after pressing any other key, it will take you to the design mode. Now let us apply a transition to the presentation that we have here. Let me select slide number 1. To insert or to apply a transition animation, come to this particular group called transition to the slide, and you have ready-made transition animations available here in this particular section of your window. To explore more, click on the down arrow mark, and these are the ready-made transition animations available to you. Select any of these. For instance, let me select this. Now let me remind you that I am applying this particular transition to my first slide. Click on this. Let me start with my slideshow now by pressing F5. Look at the way now the slide number 1 opens up. This is how we can control, or you can animate how your slide opens, how your slideshow begins with a particular slide.